anyway, it will be a P3. Chairman,
Okay. Let me see.
right? Because it's already low, right? So even if I put here 15 to 30, no, not 5 to 15, at least 15 to 30, right? And I will put prompt, right? So it's better to put prompt there instead of saying not urgent,
Okay, no problem.
so that they will not relax,
But I
right?
need the production.
No. You can switch over to the other pump, right? We
Yeah,
have
yeah.
in here.
No, but he has to switch over for certain time
Correct.
to
So
restore the production.
right,
So
right.
how much time it takes to respond to switch over?
Switch over is quick. So only here is once
So
he
he
received.
need quick action.
Correct. No. What I'm saying is once he received the alarm, it's not necessarily immediately, right? Because you can go there and so that means you have time to do that, right? So it's not like a pressure that it will immediately switch.
Okay.
Because this plugging is gradual. So when you receive the alarm, it's not necessarily there's no flow.
But I have
Yeah,
to
yeah.
take quick action.
That's what I'm saying. Instead of saying not urgent, I put prompt.
But it's
Yes, I have put it. No harm
You
because
want
this is
immediate?
P3 only. Yeah.
not immediate, but rapid.
Rapid, okay. Even if you put rapid and low will
In the P3.
result in P3.
Yeah. This repeat also P3
Yeah.
and prompt is also P3.
Okay, you can put rapid for the pumps, let's say, and low because this is a one pump only, right?
No
It
problem.
will damage one pump if you don't
No
do
problem.
anything.
No problem.
So low and rapid.
It's a
It will
P3
be
only.
P3.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
So you can
yeah.
copy this one to this one because this is not okay.
This is not unique. This is unique. This is typical.
Yeah. Okay.
I think let us do this one and then we can call off the day. Huh?
Okay. Actually, Joe wants 10 minutes break.
Okay, I will suggest let us not take a break. Go for one stretch. This 4 is there and 2 is there. Let us complete this section and then we call off the day.
Okay. Oh, I think we need 10 minutes break. My colleagues here are really asking for 10 minutes break. Comfort break, we call it.
Just 10 minutes break to have a cup of coffee or something like that.
Comfort
Okay,
break.
bro.
Refresh break. Okay?
Okay, bro. Okay.
So we'll be back at 4:20.
4:15, 4:15, 20.
4:15.
Okay.